Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will do exercise 3.3 question number 4 and 5. Okay, till question number 3 we have done yesterday. Today we will do question number 4 and 5. So question 4 is there. Find the HCF of the following by prime factorization. So yesterday we have done by the odd factor. We find HCF by the odd factor, and here is find the HCF by the prime factorization method. Okay, so first of all we should find prime factors, and then we have to find common factors. Okay, and then here we have to multiply the common factors. Okay, because this is the prime factorization method. So first of all let me start A part. There is 16 and 24. So we have to find prime factors of 16 and 24. So as I told you previously how to find prime factor by this method. Okay, for prime factor also we have two methods, tree method and division method. Here we will use division method. Okay, so now 16 we will find the prime factor. So which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers. So we should check by these. Okay, we will take here only prime number as a divisor. So first of all we will see that 16 is divisible by 2. So first of all we will divide by 2. We will take 2 as a divisor. Okay, so 2 here. Now 16 divided by 2. So in 2 table where we have 16? At the 8 number, so we write here 8. 2 8s are 16. Again we will see that 8 is divisible by 2. So again we will take 2 as a divisor. Okay, so here we will take 2. Now in 2 table where is 8? 2 4s are 8. Again we choose our divisor, so we will see that 4 is divisible by 2. So again we will choose 2 as a divisor. 2 2s are 4. Okay, again we will see that 2 is again divisible by 2. So again 2 as a divisor. Now 2 1s are 2. The last we get 1, then our prime factors finish. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of 16. Now here we find prime factorization of 24. So again we will see that 24 is divisible by 2. So 2 we will take as a divisor. So 2 is our divisor and dividend is 24. 24 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Our quotient come 12. So here is our quotient. Again we will see that 12 is divisible by 2. So again we choose our divisor 2. So in 2 table where is 12? At the 6 number. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is divisible by 2. So again we will take here 2. Now in 2 table where is 6? 2 3s are 6. Now 3 don't come in 2 table. So we will take it. We will go on 3. So 3 come in 3 table. So we will take here 3 as a divisor. Now 3 1s are 3. हमें quotient last में 1 लेके आना है. Every time we will divide and we will get quotient in the last 1. Okay, now we get 1 here. So these are the prime factors of 24. So we write here prime factorization of 16 equals to, now what is the prime factorization of 16? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So here we should write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now we write prime factorization of 24. Prime factorization of 24 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 should find common prime factors. So we write here common prime factors. As you know what is common? Common which are in both, which are in this all, that is called common. Common जो कि सारों में होता है, that is called common. Okay. So which is common in 16 and 24 prime factors? 2. This 2 is common. Okay. So we will see this 2 is common in both. Then next 2 is also common in both. Then this 2 is also common. Then no one is common. This 3 times 2 is common in both. Then there is 2 and there is 3. So nothing common. So what is common prime factors are there? Common prime factors. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Okay. We should write common factors also in multiplication form. Okay. Now we find HCF. HCF. So which are the common that we have to multiply and we will get our HCF. So common are 2 into 2 into 2. So we write here 2 into 2 into 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So your HCF is 8. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you have to find. Firstly you find prime factors. Okay, so you will do prime factorization of these both number and then you have to find common prime factors and then you should multiply these. Okay, now B part 15 and 30 is there. So firstly we find of 15 and then we find of 30. So 15. Now as we know 15 is an odd number, so it will not come in 2 table. Only 2 is even prime, others are odd. So it will not come in 2 table. Now we check by 3. Yes, it will come in 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Yes. So it's come in 3 table. So 3 5s are 15. Now 5 come in 5 table only. So 5 1s are 5. Finish. We get here 1. So no need to make so big line. It is finished. Now we find prime factors of 30. Now this is 30. Now 30 is divisible by 2. So we take here 2. Okay. Now 30 divided by 2. So we get 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 we will get 1 and with 1 0 that's become 10. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 15 the same one will be there. 15 is there so that will be the same. Prime factor should be same. 15 will come in 3 table. It not come in 2 table. So 3 5s are 15. Now 5 will come in 5 table only. 5 1s are 5. Finish. So now we write here prime factorization of 15. What is the prime factorization of 15? 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. Now we write here prime factorization of 30. Prime factorization of 30. What is the prime factorization of 30? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is the prime factorization of 30. 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now we have to find common prime factors. So we write here common prime factors. What are the common here? We can see that 3 is common in both and 5 is common in both. So 3 into 5 are common. 3 multiplied by 5. These are the commons. Okay. So now we find HCF. So HCF is what? 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. So that's your answer. Okay. So what we will do? We will find prime factors. Okay. Then common prime factors. And then we have to multiply the common prime factors. Then that we will get HCF. Okay. So rest part you will do yourself. C, D, E part you will do yourself. Now question number 5. Find the HCF of the following by the division method. Here you have to find HCF by division method. That's very easy method, and in higher classes also you have to follow this method. Okay, and that one is the very easy method. Here you have to use division, like the long division. Okay. Here I take D and E part, because in D and E part you have big number, and in A, B, C you have small numbers. So that you can do yourself. And D and E I take here. So you should understand this, and then you will do A, B, C part. Okay. So how you will do? First of all, you will see that D part there is two numbers 144 and 216. So first of all, which number is big? That you will take as a dividend, and which number is small? That you will take as a divisor. Okay. This is like the long division. So 216 is big and 144 is small. So we will take long division symbol like this. Now dividend is 216 and divisor is 144. Now we should divide it. Okay. So 216 divided by 144. So it will come on the one number. 141. 144 ones are 144. Okay. Now we should minus. 6 minus 4, 2. And now we can't subtract. So 11 minus 4, that is 7. Okay. Now here is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So what will we do? In division, that is our remainder. Okay. And that is our quotient. But this is not division. Here we have to find HCF. So whenever we get the remainder, we will again, whatever our divisor, that again we will take as a dividend. We will continue to divide again and again till then we don't get the remainder 0. जब तक हमारे पास remainder 0 नहीं आ जाता, हम again and again इस process को follow करेंगे. Again and again जो हमारा divisor वो हमारा dividend बनता जाएगा. तो again जो हमारा divisor है 144, that will becomes dividend. Okay. Again and again we make it dividend, and our remainder again and again become divisor. Till then we don't get the remainder 0. So now we should divide by 72. So 7, we will skip one column from both sides. 7 2 jar 14. We will take on 2 number. So 72 2 jar 144. 2 2 jar 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay. So 144 minus 144, you will get 0. Now your remainder is 0. That means 72 is your HCF. Okay. Last divisor, which will you give, by which you get remainder 0. Last divisor जिससे divide करने पे आपका remainder 0 आता है. That will be your HCF. Okay. यहाँ हमें quotient से कोई मतलब नहीं है. Quotient is not our answer. Okay. Because here we are finding HCF. So last divisor which is giving our us remainder 0, that is called HCF. जो last divisor जो हमें remainder को 0 दे रहा है, that is HCF. Quotient को कुछ नहीं करना आपने. Okay. So now we write here. So HCF equals to 72. That's your answer. So I hope you get it, and that's very easy also. Only आपको divide करना है. जिस divisor से आपका remainder 0 आ जाए, that will be your HCF. Okay. Now it's a E part. E part is there. 288 divided 288 and 540. Okay. So here is 540 is big and 288 is small. So 540 will be dividend and 288 will be divisor. बिग नंबर को आपको डिविडेंड बनाना है और स्मॉल को आपको डिवाइजर, क्योंकि अगर आपने बिग को डिवाइजर बना लिया तो आप डिवाइड ही नहीं कर पाओगे. सो बिग को आपको इनसाइड में राइट करना है एज ए डिविडेंड 540 and divisor is 288. Again we should divide it. So 2 ones are 2, we skip ones and tens column. 2 2s are 4, but if we take on 2 number, so we will get greater than 540 because 8 2s are 16 and there is 4, so 6 कैसे आएगा? So it will be big, so we will take only on the one number 200. जैसे हम टेबल का पता लगाते हैं वंस और टेंस का कॉलम स्किप करके. सो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 से स्मॉल है 4 तो, बट जब हम 2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2 की टेबल में 2 8s are 16. सो हियर विल कम 6, बट देयर इज 4, सो 6 will be greater, so that means there will be come on 2 number greater. So we will take on the one number 288. Now we do minus. 10 minus 8 2. Now 13, because we have given 1 borrowing, so there is 3 minus 8 we can't do, so 13 minus 8 5, and now 4 minus 2 2, 252. So we don't get the remainder 0, so that means again we have to follow the same process. This divisor will become dividend. जो ये हमारा डिवाइजर है ये अब डिविडेंड बन जाएगा 288. ओके, नाउ 288 डिवाइडेड बाय 252. सो विल टेक टेबल ऑन द वन नंबर, दिस विल कम ऑन द वन नंबर 252. नाउ वी डू माइनस. 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 5 3, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, now this will become our dividend. Why? Because we don't get the remainder 0. If our remainder is 0, then this question is finished here, but now we don't get remainder 0, so again this will be our dividend 252. Okay, now again we will divide it. So we skip ones column from both sides. Now in 3 table where is 25? 3 8s are 24. But if we will take on 8 numbers, so that will be very big, because where 8 multiplied by 6, 8 6 are 48. 4 carries. We will not take on the 8. We will take on 7. 3 7s are 21 and 7 6 are 42. 4 carry. So we will take on the which number? 7. Okay, now 7 36 multiplied by 7, 36 table on the 7 number. 7 6 are 42, 4 goes carry. 7 3 are 21, 21 plus 4 25. So 252. We get the same number. So 252 minus 252, that's we get the remainder 0. So that which divisor give us remainder 0? 36. The divisor which give us remainder 0, that will be our HCF. तो हमें रिमाइंडर किस डिवाइजर से मिला है? 36 से डिवाइड करने पे. So that means 36 will be your HCF. Okay, the divisor which give you remainder 0, that will be your HCF. So now we don't have any concern with 288 और 252. ये हमारे कुछ भी नहीं है, ना हमारे आंसर है. आंसर विल बी ओनली 36 और ना हमें यहाँ पे कोशेंट से मतलब है. ओके, सो HCF इक्वल्स टू 36. बस हमारा जो लास्ट डिवाइजर that give us remainder 0, that will be our HCF. So HCF equals to 36. That's your answer. This is the easy way of doing HCF. इसमें आपको कोई कॉमन नहीं लेना, नथिंग एल्स, ओनली डिवाइड करना है एंड यू विल गेट योर आंसर. सो ABC part you will do yourself. Okay, thank you.